Okay, so I decided to do it slightly differently this time around. Um, I am going to show you. So this is all the data right now. You can pause and see it as you go on. Yeah, 30% for the month. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's go to the actual IFEG and let me just do a day and explain slowly how I look for trades. So this is days done for me. All the information is from the usual 9:45 to 11:15 for the most part. I don't go past that. So let's go here and let's kind of look. Get a little look-sees. So is there news today? No news today. Great. Okay. So it's the usual breakdown. The only thing that's different really is the entry model system. So, I mean, we're bullish on the daily, right? Kind of came into swept liquidity, pushed higher, failed to go higher. Had a bearish day yesterday. What do I expect today? I don't know just yet. I like to use this as a 1 hour just so I always have it on so I don't get lost in price. Something that has happened a lot. And this, just having this here has helped. If it's not on the hour, it's on the 15 minute, but usually it's on the hour because I want to trade in conjunction with that. So what do we have? Looks to me like we have equal lows down here. I could be wrong. That could have gone swept. Oops. That looks pretty equal to me. I see we have equal highs above, and we have a target of equal lows below. That could be something before going higher, ultimately going higher. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So now I'll just cut down to the 5 minute, like so. Wait, no, we did sweep. It looks like we did sweep, but barely. So what I'm looking at here is you have a whole bunch of buy side. So I expect us to take buy side and then roll on over short is kind of how I'm thinking. So I don't take a trade before 9:45. So I usually come at 9:30, see what it is the market has in store for me, and then I fast forward to 9:45, just like this. 41, 43, 45, right? So it kind of did what I expected it to do. Push higher, swept liquidity. So let me just draw that in so that everyone can kind of see the process. So this will be a sweep. Right. Cool. So now this doesn't mean that I'm ready to go just yet. Pretty close to ready. This could be one of two things. This could be a change in state of delivery, or this could just be us pushing to go higher. So I kind of need to be a little bit more patient here. Pretty easy push down, but this is technically an SMB, but when we look at it on a 5 minute, you just tap into the 5 minute FEG, first line of defense, probably to go higher. So I kind of need a little bit more information. So I usually just wait this out. If we create a new low here, then yeah, that gives me kind of a reason to look lower. Okay, cool. So new low. As of right now, no trade for me to go lower. I need, since it's only the IFEG model that I'm testing, now we have this, which could be an IFEG. We'll have to wait and see. Kind of had this little bit of internal liquidity here get swept, close below. This would be something that I would take. I don't know if this is gonna run or not. Break even point is this low, and let's just say I target this. Right, that's a pretty obvious liquidity down here. How I've been doing it is once we get to 50% of this target, I'll take 50% off and then let the rest run. It's kind of how I've been doing it. So yeah, let's see if this one works out. We also do have technically a change in state of delivery here. So let's place order. Personally, I think we get smoked on this one, but we'll see. We'll see. there we go. So from here, now I'm break even. And that's a trade pretty simple. I'd say probably go 50% at this level here. That one I look for. There we go. So now I take 50%. That's a winning trade, and I just kind of forget about it after that, to be quite honest with you. I'll let it play. In the grand scheme of things, this is clearly the last push up. We've taken all the liquidity out of it. Probably this is change of state of delivery also to the buy side. Let me just look at the 1 minute chart here. Still suggests that we go lower, but you know, but that's the trade. That's how I would trade it. So winning trade, push lower. Oh, come on. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Let me take another 25% off because we came so close. Like, I'd rather take the money than not. And we'll see. Oh, again, so close. Dirty dog. You dirty dog. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't think we go lower from there. We may. But I'm out 75%, break even. I think I kind of got that a little bit wrong. Let me just make sure. Oh, no, missed my target. So yeah, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. But yeah, 75% off. That's a winning trade. Not sure how much that is on the day. The day is now done, obviously. Entry was here at 10:07. Majority of it would have been out at 10:46. Longer trade than normal. But 50%. It's a winning trade at 10:18. So let's just see how that looked. Now that this day is over. So analytics, one more trade. Right. Win rate went up a little bit. One more trade. One more win. So for the day, it's only $102. So only up 1% for the day. But because I was able to take off periodically, it still turned into a win. And I've noticed that doing that, like the compounding effect is crazy. Because you're just constantly taking a little bit out, a little bit out, a little bit out. And instead of just looking for the full volume. For example, if I was going full volume there, that's a trade I get out break even. And yeah, that's been helping me a lot. So that's really and truly the premise of it. The premise of the trading. But yeah, I can also do a paper or a screenshot case study if you'd like. But that's essentially it.